Yo guys, what up? So, just basically got up from a nap and I noticed that it was like 15 minutes till golden hour. So literally grabbed the Canon, grabbed the phone and went out and just practiced some backlighting. Something I rarely ever do. Basically having a light source, or in this case the sun behind me, and just getting some silhouette shots. It was actually really cool. Something I'm going to probably utilize in a lot more videos. And it was very simple to do. Again, waiting for that just good golden light. Or it wasn't even, I think it was more like blue light. But anyways, it was fantastic. Again, next time you're out filming, wait, or early in the morning, right before golden hour, after golden hour, get some good silky, great cinematic lighting and shots, guys. Hope you enjoy. Peace. Catch you in the next one. Keep filming. Peace.